Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to hide text in Discord in a simple and easy way. Stay with me till the end, because I will guide you step by step so you can hide any text without confusion. Step 1. Open Discord on your PC or mobile. Log into your account and go to the chat or server where you want to hide your text. Step 2. Use spoiler tags to hide text. Type your message, then add 2 vertical bars before and after the text like this. Double bar text double bar, and the message will stay hidden until someone clicks it. Step 3. Use the spoiler button directly. Select the text you have typed, then click the spoiler option from the formatting bar, and Discord will automatically blur or hide it. Step 4. Hide parts of longer messages. You can apply spoiler tags to only specific words or lines, so some text stays visible while the important or secret part remains hidden. Step 5. Send your hidden text. After adding spoiler tags, press enter to send the message, and others will need to click it to reveal the hidden content. That is how you can easily hide text in Discord and share messages privately without showing everything at once. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.